Yaya see some comments that Jennifer tried to take Kamari away from Wassink fan. That's stupid comment. Sorry to say, but that's stupid. Yeah, that's stupid comment. Blood is blood. Okay. And Jennifer is good person. Yes, she is a mom. The father passed away. She have the right to take care of Kamari. Never, ever, never, ever. You guys think that way. Don't think that way, okay? Don't think that way. She never take Kamari away from Yaya or from Wassink family. Never happens. Never. She never do it. Because you know why? She's my daughter. And the daughter will love mom forever. If Jennifer happy, Kamari happy. That's a big point. Listen to Yaya. Yeah? So I want Kamari to be happy. So if I want Kamari to be happy, the people around Kamari need to be happy first.